Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to export WooCommerce customers. This is incredibly useful when you need to back up your customer data, migrate to a different platform, or simply analyze your customer base in a spreadsheet. Let's walk through this process step by step. First, open up your browser and navigate to wordpress.com. Once you're there, sign into your account if you haven't done so already. Make sure you're using the credentials associated with your WooCommerce store to ensure you have access to all the necessary features and data. After logging in, direct your attention to the left navigation menu. This is where you'll find all the essential tools for managing your WordPress site. Look for the option labeled Tools and click on it. When you do, an expanded menu will appear with several additional options. From this list, locate and click on Export. This is the gateway to extracting various types of data from your site, including the customer information we're after today. Now, the process becomes quite straightforward from here. On the export page, you'll see different categories of data you can export. What you're looking for is the option called Users and Customers. Click on the radio button next to this option to select it. Once you've selected it, a button labeled Choose Options will appear. Go ahead and click on that to access more detailed export settings. You'll now see several customization fields that allow you to fine-tune exactly what customer data you want to export. Under the role field, you'll notice a blank drop-down menu. Click on this field and a list of user roles will appear. From this list, select Customers. This ensures that only customer data will be included in your export, filtering out administrators, editors, and other user types. Next, look at the User-Created field. This is where you can set a specific date range for your export. Click on the date picker and choose the start and end dates that match the period you want to export. This is particularly helpful if you only need recent customer data or want to analyze customers from a specific time frame. After setting your date range, you'll also need to set a delimiter. This determines how the data will be separated in your export file, typically a comma for CSV files. Once you've configured all these settings to your liking, scroll down to the bottom part of the page where you'll find the download button. Click on it to start the export process. Depending on how many customers you have, this might take a few moments, so be patient while WordPress prepares your file. And there you have it. You've successfully exported your WooCommerce customer data, which you can now use for backups, analysis, or migration purposes. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.